Hello everyone, I am Ayushman Burali.
And I am Dhulav Sotia from SFS Senior Secondary School, Dhemazi. Our project name is Autonomous Air Pollution Capturing Device and our sub-theme is Life.
Pollution is a burning issue all over the world and is creating some environmental consequences that we all are facing nowadays. Nowadays, we can see that there are sudden heat strokes and also floods, etc., and the summer stays for a long time than winter. So, these all are caused due to global warming, which is being increased nowadays due to air pollution. Air pollution is Air pollution is not only causing floods, etc., but also it is the reason behind ozone depletion, acid rain, climate change, etc. And also it is leading to many health hazards like asthma, bronchitis, respiratory diseases, and also some cardiovascular attacks, etc. So now it is a time to find solution for this pollution. So we have created an innovative approach for air pollution, that is an autonomous air pollution capturing device. Recently, WHO has given a report on air pollution that 99% of the global population is inhaling polluted air, which is very dangerous for our health. So now let's have a look in our model. So this is our filtration unit that is consists of three types of chemicals. We have used activated charcoal, activated alumina, and silica gel TLC. All the three types of chemicals are heated so to increase its absorption capacity. So at the first of this filtration, uh, we have used one vacuum. This is a fan attached to the DC motor which is supplied current. So it works in such a manner that it would be mounted on drones. Since drones are used for aerial photography and videography, nowadays we can use it to benefit our humankind. So we have thought of installing it in drones and making it a drone based and IoT based device. So once pollution is detected, this filtration system will turn on. So at first, here is our MQ135 sensor. This sensor senses the air quality level autonomously and sends it to our mobile phone through Bluetooth using this Bluetooth module. This is an AC05 module, and this is the data that is sent wirelessly to our mobile phones. Now you can see the present air quality level is 110 approximately. Since our model is a working model, this is, if we consider this incense stick as a source of pollution, we will show how it works. The demonstration of the project is how it works. So first, this MQ135 sensor is placed near the source of pollution. So now you can see here that the pollution air quality level is rising till approximately 150, and it has exceeded 150, and we have set a threshold for the pollution that once it exceeds over 150, then the vacuum attached to it will turn on. Now you can see this, that we have put the source of pollution here, and after here it is exceeded and our vacuum turns on. So you can see that it is taking all the pollution in, and now you will see this, that so this is the end of the filtration unit. Now you can see that I have placed the MQ135 sensor here, and now you can see the readings that it is decreasing. Means it is taking all the pollutants inside the chemical powders, and after that it is releasing clean air in the environment. So it promotes air circulation too. Means clean air will be released from the polluted air. So you can see the air quality level is decreased to the normal level. It means it is a working model. So now one of the problem is that after this after the capacity of these chemical powders have been gone, that it cannot take any more pollutants inside it, what we do is we extract the pollutants from it. So the process is like that we take the chemical powders to the lab, and then we put methanol and ethanol in that and separate the and keep it for 24 hours and separate the pollutants from it. So the pollutants are then neutralized in the basis of if they are acidic or basic. So if they are acidic or basic, they are given alkaline or acidic substance respectively. So after that we use some binders to that pollutants and convert it into biotiles. So these are some tiles that are made from air pollution. So you can see that the strength of the tiles, it is very much good enough. And also you can see that, so we have also integrated one special feature in it. So if the tiles, in these tiles we have attached one FSR sensor. So it works in such a manner that if if the owner of the house is not at home and he turns the device on, so this, when pressure is applied to this, then this buzzer will turn on. So the main purpose of this system is that if no one is in the house and a thief enters the house and the device is turned on, when he steps on that particular tile, and particular LED or buzzer will turn on, which will make the thief afraid or beware that someone is in the house. Thus it also acts as a security system. So this is like a 3-in-1 model that at first our main motive is to capture the air pollutants, which is been done through this filtration unit, and with the help of this Arduino Uno, this AC05 MQ135 sensor, relay, buzzer, the 5 volt DC motor attached to it, fan and the chemical powders, and at last one ESP, and everything would be automated, so there is no human labor required. And also in this filtration unit we have given one more thing, that is ESP. So the ESP is made with one sieve net and aluminum foil, which is supplied with positive and negative current respectively. If any of the pollutants are left out even after being filtered from these chemicals, the positive ions would be stick to the sieve net and negative would be to the aluminum foil. So in this process, if any pollutants are left out, they would be burned out in this process and clean air would be released into our environment. So this is the purpose of our ESP. So this is our drone based and IoT based air pollution capturing device that will help us to capture all the air pollutants, and this device can not only be installed in drones but also in directly to the transportation systems or chimneys of the factories, etc. But it is used in drones so that we can reach some places where pollution do not settle down to the ground, and it also would be integrated with AI where it will forecast the weather and also come down when the weather is bad and for maintenance. So this is our autonomous air pollution capturing device. Thank you.